Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to achieve more in business but also in life. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to achieve more in business and life. So there's a saying that says no pain, no gain. And that's very true for a lot of different things, whether it's, working out or achieving your goals, and no matter what it is, it's no pain, no gain. You will have to get uncomfortable. It's just like working out. If you do push-ups, for example, and you stop whenever you feel tired, then you're not going to gain any muscle. But if you keep on doing that over and over and over again, and keep pushing even though you feel tired and stuff like that, then that's when you will gain. And it's the same with losing weight, for example. If you want to lose weight, you will be doing exactly the same. If you just feel like eating, then eating crappy food and not working out, then you will not achieve anything. So you have to get your diet right and all these different things. Well, in business, it's exactly the same thing. It's just like starting a YouTube channel. If I had never started, if I had never put out my very first video, then I would have never ever made videos every single day, just like I've been doing now for a few months now. And it's very important that you just keep on pushing. It's like building an email list. At first you don't want to do it because you feel like you're losing money because you have to pay and you might not get a return straight away. But after a while, that's when you get 10x your amount of money, or 100x or a millionx. It's just you have to go through these tips that make you uncomfortable. I've been doing this for a long time, and every single thing that I've done is you have to go through something that's not very comfortable, like putting yourself in front of the camera. I've told this story many times before now. The very first video that I filmed, I did 5 or 6 times. I filmed myself without being able to put out a single word because it was just so hard for me to actually speak in front of a camera. And now it's no big deal. I just turn it on and say what I want to say. But in the beginning, it was really hard. And then I gained something. Now I'm really confident to talk in front of the camera, but I was not always like that. So you really need to get yourself uncomfortable to actually push through it. And it's the same thing building an email list. When you build an email list, first you have to pay, so it's not that great. Then you have to do write emails and all that stuff. That's not very comfortable because you've never done it before. But after a while it feels easy and you just keep doing it over and over. Just like filming a video every single day. When I first started this channel, it was impossible. I had filmed some videos before, but I just could not stick to making a video every single day. And now I just do this. It's no big deal. It's I have to do it. There's no do I do it or not? It's just that is my priority, so that's what I'm going to do. And that's how you win. If you stop as soon as something gets uncomfortable, like filming a video or anything like that, then you don't win. But if you push through it and you say, I need to do this no matter what, that is when you start to actually win and just crush everyone else. They're just stopping before you. So if you manage to get past these things and if you know what you need to do, like building a YouTube channel, doing all these things, then you just need to go and do it right now. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.